Okay, hi everybody. Just some animation basics. Now, before we go into the basics, we'll just go back on some of the important things about working with Maya. Now, just have a look through these, make sure that you're aware of them. First one, check your computer language is English. Your mouse is configured to 3 buttons. Just make sure your hard drive doesn't contain Chinese characters. Open Maya first. Don't double click your document. And then once you're in Maya, just Windows, settings, preferences, and just restore default settings. Because again, we've got a lot of classes using these computers. So different people, different settings, different classes, different settings. Pretty good habit to do that before you open up. Set up a projects folder. Pretty important now. We're working with animation, more rendering, and and just some modeling, rigging, I should say, and just Windows Outliner is also a pretty good tool to select your objects. All right, so just go through those. First of all, making sure that your computer is English. Now, if you go up here, I don't have that option, but up here, US English. All right, just make sure that you do change it from Chinese to the English. Causes problems with our shortcuts. That does. All right, now let's go down. Next one down is your 3-button mouse. All right, so just go to your system's preferences, this button down here, and click on that. All right, now we'll go up over here, and you'll see, say, your keyboard and mouse. Click on that. All right, and mouse. Yep, there we go. So you'll have your primary button, secondary, and just say your button 3 up here. All right, just turn those off for the sake of it. All right, next one down, Chinese characters on your portable hard drive. Okay, Chinese characters aren't quite working on this one here. Yeah, it does cause problems. So please, you can see I'm just using the English characters just on this one here where I've got work. Okay, now, pretty important. See if I've got a file open up on the desktop. I don't think I do. Yep, you do not double click your objects. You just, first of all, you've got to open Maya first. All right. Yeah, pretty important to do that. It just can cause problems with different textures that you're using. A few of the students were having problems with these a few terms ago. All right, now we're in Maya. Now, next thing we've got to do, just restore our defaults. So, window, okay, try to get this right, come on. Settings, preferences, and preferences. Try to zoom back out a bit. Maybe zoom in for a second. Preferences. Alright. Now, next thing we need to do is just to go up and restore default settings. Alright, again, just just good habit to get into because you've got a lot of people using these computers for different things, okay? There we go, and hit save. There we go. Alright, next thing, last thing we've got to do. File, project, work in projects, okay? Okay, for this one here, I'm just going to call this, I'll call this autumn. Term, location, yep, okay. I'm just going to use defaults. There we go. And okay, make sure I know where I'm saving it. And accept. Failed to create, no, I don't know why. Okay, try that. Accept. Oh, okay, this isn't looking good for me. Recent files. Okay, we don't need to worry about that, just as long as you can do it. All right, so you've done all that. Now you're ready to create an animation. Okay, very simple. Let's go to polygons and let's just create a circle, a sphere, I should say. This is looking very slow. All right, here we go. Now I'm just going to move this. Why is my computer so slow? All right, move this down over here. All right, very simple. Now, if you have a look down here, this is our timeline. All right, it's just 24 frames, actually, sorry, 48 frames maximum, 24 being shown. All right, now it's very simple. Let's go down to here, and I'm going to press S on my keyboard. That's S for September, S for sunny, and I press S. All right, now you'll notice now that there's sort of a red line just in the left-hand side. Okay, that's just saying now that this little shape here has got a keyframe. All right, now I'm going to go to say 24, and I'm going to do the same. S. Okay. There we go. So I've got a start and a finish. All right. Now I can just drag this over. Sorry, I'll go to my frame 15 down here. And I'm just going to click and move this over. All right. Now in keyframe 15, I press S. All right. And if I'll go down to here where it says play it forwards, play, and there we have it. All right, that's the basics of animation. Not very hard. All right, thank you very much.